In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a zone. Zones are for devices, remote controls or shades that you can list in certain areas. So for instance, you can have 1 zone, 2 zones or even 10 zones and list each remote control in each zone. To get started, press the top right hand plus button. The app will ask to use your location. Press allow. The app will automatically locate where you are. Enter the name of your zone. Today I'm going to call my zone home. Once you've created the name for your zone, press the add zone button. A privacy policy will appear. You can agree or disagree. If you agree, you can continue further. If you disagree, then you'll be sent back to the zone page again. Let's agree. Now you've created a zone. To edit the zone, swipe left and you can edit the name of the zone. Or you can delete the zone. If I edit the zone, I click on the edit button and I can call it home zone. If I like to delete the zone or name it back to the original name, I edit the button again and call it home. You can create another zone by doing the same method. So now we have created 2 zones. To delete a zone, slide across to the left and press delete. If you'd like to review the privacy policy again, the top left hand icon will reveal the privacy policy and you can review it at any time.